Welcome to Countrywide Metals. We are in the main reception for inwards and outwards material. This is where the magic happens.
Hello, I'm Louis and this is George. We are both yard operatives down here in Countrywide Metals.
We are buyers and merchants of ferrous and non-ferrous metals. We buy scrap, including aluminium, copper. I had that, that was good.
No, that bit's great. We've got that bit now.
He's a man that can cut stuff and just make you look nice and stuff, yeah.
His arm's aching now.
Question, do we look okay?
Yeah, you look great.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
So a lot of what me and Louis do is making sure that the material we buy is the right stuff. So this is H9, but we got to test it to see if it is H9 because sometimes it could be different. It's come back as different to what we usually have. Now we tell Chris, which is the yard manager, and he contacts the office and tells them what it is. Different prices for different things, so we've got to make sure we put everything right. So that means now we might have to go through this and see what's right and what's wrong. But that's the fun of it.
My name's Chris Warden. I am the production manager here at Countrywide Metals. People kind of get the impression that metal recycling is a dirty business, but what we actually do to cut down on carbon emissions by recycling aluminium. Nobody really sees the carbon footprint that recycling reduces.
Can you order me some medium ones, please? Some high visors? All them are large. But Jay, you look stupid.
He likes to make us think that he's working hard.
See, you're hard, we are.
I'm Amy Bird. I am one of the owners. Countrywide Metals is very lucky in terms of its location to the city of Birmingham, which means the projects that are going on in the centre of Birmingham can travel back to us very easily. And the thing with aluminium is it's a light metal, so we can get it back here from the projects that are going on in the city, from the demolition companies, etc. And we can process to densify the material before it goes on to onward processing. So that's really great because it means we're taking in from local households in Birmingham, from demolition companies, from factories, before sending it back out for reprocessing and then coming back into the industry again for new windows and doors and cladding.
We have a shredding operation, so we get various different aluminiums. We put it through a machine that sorts the material, removes any steel contaminants. We remove any impurities like plastic, wood, dirt, and then the product becomes a product of around 5% impurities, which then is sold on.
We are experiencing so much growth in Birmingham. We're very, very lucky. We have the East Side project going on, we have HS2 going on. And whilst the aluminium that we buy in here isn't directly going back into those projects, the material that comes through us and goes out for new production then ends up going back to those projects. I mean, we're talking one of the tallest buildings in Birmingham is going to go up. That's going to be clad in aluminium. The HS2 project is using aluminium across the board. So we are integral to keeping that circular economy with aluminium moving and becoming a partner almost to make sure that all of the aluminium is completely recycled.